severe weather causes drought, which causes malnutrition, which causes health effects. And we have to adapt because there's no time to wait. We must ensure that climate finance reaches those who need it most.
Much of the action that happens at the local level can be actually the most effective solutions.
So what we're doing right now is thinking about what communities need. We are informed by their lived experience and what they would like to do at the community level.
So financing is critical. Financing is critical because the cost of inaction is bigger than the cost of action. Finance will flow. People have the solutions. We just need to make that happen.
So really ensuring that we have the proper mechanisms that ensure that the funding reaches those communities.
Climate change is the defining challenge of our time. It's really important to have a concerted effort to address those challenges and collectively find and create the solutions to address it.